The first thing you need to do when opening the Abaqus is set the work directory to the location where your Python code, subroutine, and model file are. Then open the subroutine file to ensure that the variable values are the ones you need. Now select Run Script from the File menu. Click on this icon to go to the work directory. Select the Python code, then click OK. The windows we have talked about will appear one by one, and you should enter your values. First, enter the directory path of your model. You can copy the directory path form here and paste it into this field. Click OK. Now you must enter the values for these variables. We're going to use the SI units here. The thickness of each layer is 210 to -3. The number of layers is 5. X reference is 0 and Z reference 210 to -2. Here the conductivity values must be entered. We accept the default values and click OK. Now enter the density, expansion coefficient, and time period. Click OK. Latent heat, solidus temperature, and liquidus temperature. Next, enter the specific heat values. Click OK. Enter the mesh size here and click OK. Now the simulation begins. See, the mesh is generated and we just need to wait till the job is completed. This might take some time depending on your model and mesh size. We'll be back when it's completed. Well, the job is completed. Let's see what happened here. The part has been created. The material properties have been created as well and assigned to the model. All 5 instances have been created and assembled here. You can see all 6 steps here. There is the interaction property. The interactions. The first 4 are the contacts between the surfaces. The rest are for the model change interaction, which was for the deactivation and activation of the cells. Select the Tools menu, go to the Surface Manager, and there you go. The surfaces we created for the interactions. Here we have boundary conditions. The first 5 are for fixing the up surface of each layer. See, they have been created in their own step and deactivated in the next step. The next 5 are for the temperature changes of each layer. The last one has fixed the bottom of the model. Click on the Predefined Field Manager. All 5 initial temperatures. Click on the Tools menu again, go to the Set Manager, and you can see the sets we created to apply boundary conditions on them. Finally, the Mesh module. The mesh size, deviation factor, and minimum size control. Go to Mesh Controls. See, the element shape is set and the technique is free. Open the Element Type Edit window. The element types we have selected. See, all in order.